We begin now with Dake Bible Sp, meaning special, number 2, and this will be in the Bible folder. Now, I told you about all those illustrations in the back and how I did take each one and I called it outline, and then where there ever was an outline, I would write it in. Now, usually what I do, for example, I'll show you on this page, I put the word outline at the very top of the page so you know it's down here somewhere. And then, as I told you before, and as you saw before, when I do the outline, I will take everything on the bottom of the page that has to do with that outline, and I'll mark it out exactly as it is on that page so you can see everything Dake has to say about that section of the outline. Now, and I've done that all the way through. It took a long time. The entire Bible, all the way through, for every single place that outline is, and I've made it pretty obvious what it is, and I've highlighted it. Now, the reason I've done that is this, because that outline, or those illustrations that I call outline, are essentially Dake's theological and religious point of view. So, if you take each one of those and mark it out special as I did, and then you read them, you get a very good understanding of what conclusions Dake came to in reading the whole Bible and making those charts with outlines. I am also talked about that a little bit in the God's Plan for Man Bible, but not as much as in this one. Therefore, that is the reason I have done it, and it took a long time to do it, but it was worthwhile because there is so much in there that gives you a good sense of what Dake is meaning when he comes to those outline sections. Therefore, it is very important that I have done that in order to get a good idea of Dake's point of view. Plus, you see influences have come into his writing from others in the same way as we did in other times. So that is why I've taken a special time to do this particular thing in this Bible.